Hello, my name is Chantal Acosta, and some of my interests include singing and theater, which I did in high school, drawing, and reading. My favorite genre is romance. Accomplishments and awards. Outstanding Musician Award. I got that from my choir department. Applause Award. Vice President of the choir department, and I graduated high school. What do I hope to learn in SLS? I hope to learn to be a better student. I hope to learn more available materials that I might not know, like Canva. I'd hope to learn how to plan my future education and to learn about different college options that I might have, and to overall just solidify my plan. Something personal about online learning. I typically found myself to be very stressed. I love the free time, but I am not getting the grades that I would if I were going face to face. I know that for sure. I tend to procrastinate a lot when I'm online, and I just realize that it's not for me.